we're very excited about the launch of our latest addition to our handpiece portfolio, and the product name is Zepto Plus. And just like the current on-market Zepto, Zepto Plus creates a premium capsulotomy, a capsulotomy that's consistent in shape, size, and position. However, the difference between the two, the on-market Zepto creates a capsulotomy on average about 5.1 millimeters in diameter. However, for those surgeons who prefer a slightly larger capsulotomy, we have Zepto Plus. And the average capsulotomy size is 5.4 millimeters for Zepto Plus. You know, most surgeons create their capsulotomies manually, and that can result in inconsistencies in terms of shape, size, and position of the capsulotomy. With the Zepto IOL positioning system, it creates a strong, circular, and precisely positioned capsulotomy consistently. You know, doctors tell us all the time that creating the capsulorex is one of the most important steps in cataract surgery. So having a well-centered capsulotomy is essential for optimal lens positioning and stability. The Zepto IOL positioning system is the first and only surgical platform that creates a capsulotomy instantaneously. I mean, once we deliver energy, we create the capsulotomy in 4 milliseconds. In addition to that, surgeons have the ability to center the capsulotomy on the patient's visual axis by leveraging the Purkinje images. And as a result, you get long-term 360-degree IOL overlap.